Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites and starting the first fixes now. Check that your GPU driver and Windows updates are current. Drivers often restore missing features. Once done, restart and sign in as an administrator because permission issues can hide settings. Next, temporarily disable overlays like Discord or GeForce Experience. Overlays can lock the control panel UI. Finally, open Device Manager to confirm the Nvidia adapter appears without warning icons, so the control panel can register properly. Now you'll handle the more complex middle steps to restore the control panel. First, run the Nvidia installer and choose Repair or Modify to fix missing components. This restores core files. Then open Services. MSC and restart Nvidia Display Container, LS, and related Nvidia services because they communicate with the UI. If the panel still doesn't show, run an elevated command, prompt, and re-register Nvidia Control Panel, DLLs, or reinstall the control panel from Microsoft Store. This ensures the app is properly registered and discoverable by Windows. Finish by rebooting and checking the desktop context menu or Windows search for Nvidia Control Panel. Changes often appear after a full restart. If it still won't show, perform a clean driver uninstall using the In Safe mode, then install the latest driver package fresh. This removes corrupt residual files. Make sure Windows isn't forcing the wrong GPU. Open Windows graphics settings and confirm the Nvidia GPU is assigned to the apps you expect. If problems persist, try creating a new Windows user to rule out profile corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.